Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I would like to show you how to transfer contacts from one phone to another. Let's get started. First of all, go to your contacts app on your Android phone. And then if you want to transfer contact, you can simply tap and hold on the contact like this. And if you want to transfer more than one contact, you can click on the contact as much as you like. Then after that, click on the share button. Alright, and you can choose whether you want to share the contact by WhatsApp or Telegram or Gmail. It's up to you. You can choose it as you want. And alright guys, that's how we can transfer contacts from one phone to another. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe this channel. See you on the next video guys.